What's up everyone, I'm Roxy, and if you're new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here, and if you've always been here, then welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be decluttering my work bag, organizing it, and then showing you what is actually in my work bag. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is my only social media, and I have so much exclusive lifestyle content over there. Okay, so now let us get into what is in my bag. So this is my work bag. It is this humongous bag, and my nail tech makes fun of me because it's just literally so big. This is the first designer bag I ever bought for myself. It is a Kate Spade bag, which I bought like 600 million years ago, so it's kind of beat up. And I don't exactly remember the name of it, but it's very similar to the Kate Spade Margot bag, which is a 3-compartment bag. I will have it linked down below. That is definitely the next bag I'll be getting like pretty soon, because this one is almost falling apart. This is how it looks. This color is definitely a different kind of color. When I first got it, I didn't really think I would use it for work, but it ended up being the most perfect work bag personally for me. And the color is like a very beautiful, like very pale blue bag, as you can see. My bag is bigger than half of my body, let's just put it like that, okay? So first to begin, let me describe my bag to you. It is a 3-compartment bag. Like I said, it has 3 huge compartments, which is perfect for someone like me who likes to carry my house or my land and every single thing else in this bag. It also has an inside zipper pocket, as well as 2 pockets on the next side of my bag, which is perfect, and you'll see how I actually organize it and put stuff in it. I am going to share with you a decluttering vlog, so we'll switch to that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you exactly what I kept in my bag and what is actually in my suitcase of a bag. So this is my work bag. If you've been watching me for a while now, you would have seen this bag in a few videos. It is my legit real-time look at how my bag looks. Obviously it gets kind of dirty over time, like you're seeing here, so we are just going to declutter it, take out everything, and then organize it, and then I'll share with you what exactly is in my bag. And this is the bag that I take to my office. So the first thing I'm doing is just going to go ahead and take out every single thing that is in this bag, and it's kind of a lot, as you can see. I'm gonna start a rubbish pile immediately. What even is this? Oh look, I found another one. I think these were for contacts at one point in time, but I think it's actually really cute, so I plan on keeping it. Oh my god, there we go, another one is in here. I literally have ancient gum in here. I'm so ashamed. I have some random clove oil. I think this was for my fiddly fig. I think I have neem oil. So yeah, I definitely was making something for my plants. Okay, so now my bag is completely empty, which I'm very thrilled about, and I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it and come back and pack it back and let you guys know what exactly is in my bag. Okay, so I've dusted my bag, and I have this leather cleaner, which is from Kate Spade. I got it the same time that I got this bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the leather cleaner to a cotton round and then go ahead and clean my bag. I know it looks pretty gross right now. You can actually tell how much grossness is coming off, so I'm just gonna continue. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pack my bag and then share with you all of the items I decided to keep. Okay, so we are back now, and I'm gonna share with you the things that I kept in my bag. So in the middle of my bag, I have my headphones, and I love carrying these. This is a JBL wireless headphone, Bluetooth headphones. It has such great quality. I also use it at the gym. If I'm not using the JBL one, oh, hit me in my face, yo. I will use my Sony headphones, which is much cheaper, but this has lasted me for about 3 years now, which is insane. This is not Bluetooth though, so it has that cord that you plug in, but I go between headphones, whichever one works for me in that moment. Next up, I have my 2 terabytes. The one with the pink binder clip here is my 2015 to 2018 terabyte, and the next one is my 2018 to present This is actually a 2 terabytes and I got it on Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below. These are 2 things I bought on Amazon and I shared in my Amazon favorites video, which I loved and never regretted buying it. They hold all of my information, and for someone like me who's always editing and have my own stationery brand, it's so important I always constantly back up my data. Also in the center of my bag is my charger for my MacBook as well as my iPhone, and speaking of my iPhone, obviously that is something that is in my bag as well. Moving on to the next side, I always keep a book that I'm currently reading, and this is The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F. This is definitely a different take on a whole self-help vibe, because it just shows you things in a completely different perspective, and it's not like sugar-coated at all. It's blatantly blunt AF. So this is not for the faint of heart, but it's definitely for someone who wants a new perspective on life and to just see things completely different. So I almost got into a full book review there, so I'm so sorry about that. Next up, in my pockets on this side, I have a ton of pens. As you can see, I am someone who has to have like a million different pens and pencils and stationery in my bag, or else I have anxiety. I know it sounds weird, but when I don't have my favorite pen, or I don't have a pencil, or I don't have an eraser or something, I literally lose my mind at my office and I just cannot function. It's the weirdest thing ever, but everyone has like that one specific pen they write with. And for me, it is the Faber-Castell Super True Gel in 0.7mm. I am in love with it. I also have some odds and ends like a binder clip, ever paper clip, some washi tape, and my tape glue. This is also something I highly recommend getting if you are in work, if you love to plan and organize and take notes, or even if you're a student. Tape glue is so good because you don't have to get messy at all. You just roll it on like scotch tape and stick everything. In my next side of my bag, I obviously have my MacBook, and I love this. I've had it for a few years now. I never upgraded it or anything. It just works fine for me. Obviously, I have to carry that when I go to work. The next thing I have is the most important thing in my bag, and that is my planner. So I have my gorgeous planner right here, and it just has every single thing in my entire life and more in it. This is the only thing that helps me stay organized and be very, very productive when I get to my office every single day. I really cannot live without it. And then inside of that, I always have 2 notepads. Yes, I am extra like that. To be fair, one notepad was just finishing. So one of them has these beautiful elephant prints on it like you see here. And then I have another one which is like a more travel themed notepad, which I love. And notepads really, really help me. I love keeping them with me because not only do they help me organize my work furthermore into subcategories. I don't know, I have a problem with organizing. I just love making lists, but that is what I use my notepad for. So even though I have my planner, if I want to get into really detailed list making, this is where my beautiful notepad come in, and they definitely, let me just tell you, keep me sane. Next up in my bag is a sticker book, which I recently did for my stationery brand. I don't know why I keep it in my bag, but I just always keep it in my bag. It's the weirdest thing ever. And then I have a checkbook for my office, and it's like this small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in my bag at all. So if I ever have to pay for anything and I don't have cash on me, I have my checkbook. And then in another pocket of my bag, I have this little gift box. I know this is not the smartest way to store my memory cards, but it stores my memory cards in it. So I have like about 5 memory cards that I always keep here. But I don't know if this happens to you, but the minute that you take something out of your bag is the minute that you will need it. I just don't bother to take the chance, so I always keep my memory cards with me. And the last 2 things in my Spade bag are my wallet, and it's not even a wallet, it's actually a card holder, to be honest. I am not a wallet person. I'm more of a card holder type of girl, so I have like Starbucks gift cards, which I don't use. I just keep it to use with my planner to cut my washi tape because I'm weird like that. And then I have a ton of other cards, and then I just have my zipper for my money or anything like that. But I got this from Target, and it's definitely a staple. I love it. It's not even that much expensive. It's less than $10, but this is like my life because it's so easy, and if you have to put it in a clutch or anything, it doesn't even take up much space, so I love it. And then I have my keys. I had to be that person who has the hugest tassel in life. This actually came with my Steve Madden mini backpack in this beautiful mauve color, so I took it off from my backpack and then I put my keys on it instead because I just love how it looks, and it's long enough so it can dangle, so my hand can fit comfortably through it, as you can see, like this. I just love mauve. It's like my favorite color. Anything dusty pink or blush pink or mauve, I love. So those were the things that were in my work bag, and that is how I organized it and decluttered it and everything like that. I know that you didn't see like any kind of makeup or wipes or anything like that, but that is because I keep a smaller bag in my office. So if you would like to see a video, I will definitely do them for you, but I didn't see the need to include it here since they're not really in my work bag. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up if you did, and let me know what is in your work bag, and let me know if you want to see more videos like these, and I'll be so happy to do them for you. Don't forget to also subscribe because it means that you support the content I'm creating, and it really means so much to me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.